Hello everyone, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. I went ahead and decided to take advantage of the recent offer, which was this is $9.99, but with a trade-in of the S8, which I did the long-term review on. Prior to this, I decided to go ahead and trade it in, and for $700 credit, it was relatively minimal in terms of price. So I wanted to check this out. I've been using the S8 for a good solid year, and primarily I use it a lot for note-taking and for reading at the same time. So having a PDF on one side or a book on one side and then notes on the other side. I usually have the notes on the left because I'm left-handed, and my reading material on the right side. It was really nice, but I really wanted to, because I really like the S Pen experience in terms of note-taking and writing, but I wanted something bigger. And, oddly enough, it was actually more worth it to get this. I got more trade credit and the price was lower on this than it was it was only $50 more than the S9 Plus, at least the sale that they're running now. So I went ahead and just went for the Ultra to check it out. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a really big device, obviously, so it's hard to fit into the camera. Again, this is just a phone operation here. I'm not, I only have an iPhone Pro Max. I'm filming this one on the 15 Pro Max. I think I noticed in the videos that I filmed with the 15 Pro Max, they actually sound a little better. So that's what I noticed. So there's the bottom portion of it there. I'll go ahead and take the top part off. It's, yeah, it's a big one here. Whoop, didn't quite get all that off there. Let's check it out. So I just got this today from Samsung. And I just wanted to check it out there. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Boxer, Tab S9 Ultra. And I'm sure you've seen plenty of these, but this is just kind of my initial reaction. Yeah, it's a big device. It's very nice looking. In terms of the size, at least. Oh wow, that is really thin. Here's the S Pen here. I got it in graphite or black color, basically. So the S Pen is black there. Similar to the S8 Ultra, S8 regular that I have. It has. I'll go ahead and put the tablet aside real quick just to see what's in here. Just some booklets. It has a little pin. It's an ejector. I'm in the US, so unfortunately, they don't have 5G, which I would have really loved to get this with 5G. I think that would have been ideal. And I believe this is just a cable if it's like the other. Yeah, let's go ahead and check that out. Yeah, it's just a cable, so you don't need to see all that. So pen, cable, and then pin ejector. Now that's actually for the micro SD card slot if you want to add storage to it. So that's a good thing. But what I'm impressed with so far is the thinness of it. So let's go ahead and take this off here. Let's do this well. Here, I want to do this nicely. Well, I'm gonna, oh, here we go. So we just take it off right here. Leap it over the camera there. And the S Pen charges up in the back there. Take it out of the packaging. Kind of like a paper packaging here. And yep, slide it on out. And there it is. It's in graphite. It's kind of very dark color. It's almost like a black color, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. I guess it's black and the other one is beige. And there it is right there. Let's go ahead and power it on. There we go, Samsung. Powered by Android. Let's see here. The drum roll. Okay, welcome. Okay, so just size. Obviously, I have to put my information in there. You just go ahead and check it out there, and just kind of go through the process of it. But just if I hold my arms fully, I can get it in the camera with filming at half size, right? So that's essentially where it's at. That's how big it is. It's really impressive. I will say that. I'm really also impressed with the lightness of it. I don't really do the optional stuff there. We'll just agree to that there. Yeah, we can get that done later on, set up manually. So I'll go ahead and set this up. but I just wanted to offer some initial impressions. I really do like how thin it is, yet it feels really sturdy. It is really big, but I can see how this is ideal for, being able to essentially have a full small tablet here. I mean, something that's probably bigger than the iPad mini on one side and then another one on the other side, and just taking notes here and reading over here. This is going to be ideal. I didn't get the keyboard case with it because I just felt like, it's kind of pricey, $350. I might check it out, try one out at Best Buy or something and see if I go ahead and do that. But just my initial impressions, is just really nice to hold. It's light. For such a big tablet, it's really light. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put my information in and then, offer an initial review of it. But I can definitely see how this is a really nice workspace. So if you're going to do like, note taking, if you're going to sketch out ideas, I do a lot of mind mapping. So, just circling ideas and then, writing them in, the cloudy sort of, circles that I create. And that really helps a lot in terms of just organizing your thoughts and, for preparations for lectures and things of that nature. So anyhow, I just wanted to kind of unbox it here. It wasn't too ASMR-y, it was just a regular unboxing. So, and offer my initial impressions. And so far, it's impressive. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in, and I will give you a brief update. Now, I wasn't initially going to get it, but, with that special offer, it came down quite a bit in price. And, the S7 I got really cheap, and then I traded that in for the S8. So honestly, I don't even have a whole lot into this in terms of money. So with the trade-ins, it's just a good deal. So yeah, that's all for now. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next one. I hope you're well, and I hope your family's well. Take care.